Welcome to this training video for the Thames Valley Police Project, Studying, Understanding and Preventing Bike Crime. This video is a short 1-minute run-through of how you, as a geography student or teacher, can access the StoryMap Reporting Bicycle Crime with ArcGIS. It's designed to help you record and analyse bike crime online. In the introduction, it explains that since 2017, bike crime has steadily declined in England. But is this the case in your local area? For some, the national levels and types of bike crime do not fit with their local experience. The Royal Geographical Society, in partnership with Thames Valley Police and Esri UK, have created this story map to highlight two resources for you to use: a national bike crime survey and a bike crime dashboard, which is interactive and is able to layer your data collection onto police data from data.police.uk. It is a powerful comparative web tool. So, follow the instructions and collect your data. Upload it and then compare with the national data sets. The first resource is the survey. It's been designed to be completed quickly and easily. There are only 7 questions which you can see on the right-hand side of the screen. Students can access it via the URL or simply by scanning the QR code. Continue to move through the story map and you'll find the bicycle crime dashboard. The dashboard captures all the survey information that you've just contributed to and includes it in the ArcGIS map, which you can now see on the right hand side of the screen. The map displays the location of your recorded crime with additional supportive layers, for example, bicycle thefts per 1,000 inhabitants. A pop-up says click anywhere to interact, and there's a silent video to help you along the way. Continue scrolling until this panel disappears to interact with the dashboard. The dashboard has graphs to the left, the ArcGIS map to the right, and a ribbon along the top, with options to select minimum and maximum values for bicycle theft, the different police forces, and a date. For example, select Avon and Somerset and you will see the outline of the police force boundary flashing momentarily. Then the graphs will populate on the left-hand side. Something to note is the hidden tab on the far left, which when clicked opens up to explain about the web tool. You have pie charts, bar graphs and tables, all of which represent the data which has just been inputted via the survey above. All the survey data is collected by the Survey 123 app, and the national data has been aggregated by LSOAs, standing for Lower Super Output Areas, designed for reporting small area statistics in England and Wales per 1,000 of the population. Input your data, click and amend the dashboard, and explore the web tool. Good luck!